Greetings, fellow financial adventurers. Welcome to our channel, Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom. Did you know the average American wastes $18,000 a year on non-essential items? That's right, $18,000. A staggering statistic, isn't it? It's a sum that could potentially transform one's financial landscape. Yet, it's often frittered away on items and services that add little to no value to our lives. This brings us to the topic of our video today, inspired by none other than the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. We'll dissect the 14 common money wasters that often leave individuals, especially those with limited resources, in a financial quagmire. From the allure of impulse purchases, the burden of excessive debt, to the trap of unnecessary subscription services and the illusion of brand-name products, we'll explore each of these pitfalls in depth. We'll also touch on high-cost housing, unhealthy habits, and used gym memberships, overpriced financial products, frequent dining out, expensive transportation, and retail therapy. So, are you ready to tackle these financial traps head-on? Let's dive into these 14 money wasters and see how you can avoid them. First on the list is impulse purchases. These are those unplanned buys that catch your eye, often at the checkout. They might seem harmless, but they can quickly add up, draining your wallet and cluttering your space. The trick to avoiding this trap? Plan your shopping. Make a list, stick to it, and give yourself a cooling-off period before purchasing anything not on the list. It's a simple strategy, but it can make a world of difference. Next time, think twice before making that impromptu buy. Number 2, excessive debt. Let's talk dollars and cents. Debt can be a tool, yes. But when it becomes excessive, it's more like a shackle holding your finances hostage. High-interest debts from credit cards, payday loans, or even that shiny new car you couldn't resist can eat into your savings, preventing you from building wealth. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom. Remember, not all debt is bad, but too much can be a disaster. Third on our list is unnecessary subscription services. We are living in the age of subscriptions. Streaming platforms, magazines, even your favorite coffee can be subscribed to. While they may seem small, these costs can quickly add up, silently draining your bank account. It's like a snake pit that you willingly step into. Too many subscription services can lead to financial suffocation without you even noticing. It's crucial to regularly review your subscriptions and ruthlessly cancel what you don't need. So, review your subscriptions regularly and cancel what you don't need. Number 4, brand name products. We often fall into the trap of believing that branded products are always superior. This can lead to unnecessary spending on items where generic alternatives are just as good, if not better. It's a misconception fueled by clever marketing and our own assumptions. We end up paying for the brand prestige, not the product itself. It's crucial to evaluate the quality and value of a product rather than its brand. Always remember, expensive doesn't always mean better. Fifth on our list is high-cost housing. Now, it's no secret that expensive homes can stretch your finances thin. And when you're living beyond your means, the pressure is real. It's like trying to squeeze into a pair of jeans 2 sizes too small. It's uncomfortable, restricting, and quite honestly, not a good look. Instead, opt for a home that fits your budget just right, like a cozy, well-fitted sweater. Live within your means, and your wallet will thank you. Number 6, unhealthy habits. The allure of vices, right? Smoking a pack a day, that after-work beer, they seem harmless enough. But let's look at the bigger picture. These habits, apart from being detrimental to your health, can really burn a hole in your pocket. The cost of a pack of cigarettes or a pint of beer might seem trivial, but when accumulated over time, it's a significant drain on your finances. Your health is your wealth, literally. 7th is in used gym memberships. How many of us have enthusiastically signed up for a gym membership, only to let it gather dust? These unused memberships don't just take up space on your credit card statement, they're a constant drain on your finances. The money spent on these could be put towards something you'll actually use, or even better, invested. Remember, every dollar wasted is a dollar not growing. So, if you're not using the gym membership, it's time to lose it. 8th on our list is overpriced financial products. It's a common pitfall, shelling out big bucks for financial products that promise high returns, but end up underperforming. From high-fee mutual funds to pricey insurance policies, these often come with hefty price tags but fail to deliver on their promise. It's a harsh truth, but not all that glitters is gold in the financial world. So, before you put your hard-earned money on the line, remember this golden rule: always do your research before investing. Number 9, frequent dining out. It's a treat, sure, but one that can quickly turn into a financial sinkhole if not kept in check. Those daily lattes, weekly takeouts, and monthly fine dining experiences can add up faster than you might realize. The average American spends over $3,000 a year on dining out. Imagine the savings if you swap just half of those meals for home-cooked alternatives. Cooking at home can be both fun and financially wise. 10th on our list is expensive transportation. Think about it. Costly cars, regular taxi rides, and excessive fuel consumption can quickly drain your wallet. The depreciation on a new car alone can be a financial setback. Not to mention, the more you drive, the more you spend on gas. And let's not forget those pricey taxi rides that add up over time. It's worth considering cheaper, greener options for your commute. Maybe it's time to dust off that old bike or explore public transportation. Number 11. Retail therapy. Let's debunk this myth, shall we? Many are led to believe that shopping can heal emotional pain or stress. It's a temporary high, a fleeting sensation that leaves you with lighter pockets and often heavier hearts. The financial implications are far from therapeutic. It's a cycle of spending, guilt, and more spending. Remember, retail therapy is just a fancy term for impulse buying. Remember, shopping won't fill the void, but it will empty your wallet. Now that we've covered the 14 points, let's see what Warren Buffett has to say. Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has always preached the gospel of financial prudence and smart spending. He is a keen advocate of living within one's means and the power of frugality. Buffett insists that we should avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. He warns against the pitfalls of impulse purchases and the dangers of debt. In his view, an inexpensive, simple lifestyle can lead to financial independence and wealth. He emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing our financial habits, from avoiding brand-name traps to rethinking expensive transportation. Buffett's wisdom extends to understanding the value of money, and he advises being wary of overpriced financial products and unnecessary subscription services. He believes in the power of delayed gratification, where we save now to spend later. In Buffett's words, do not save what is left after spending, instead spend what is left after saving. So, there you have it, the 14 things poor people waste their money on. We've journeyed through the pitfalls of impulse purchases, the quicksand of excessive debt, and the maze of unnecessary subscription services. We've navigated the allure of brand-name products, the burden of high-cost housing, and the drain of unhealthy habits. We've explored the trap of unused gym memberships, the deceit of overpriced financial products, the temptation of frequent dining out, and the illusion of retail therapy. We've also traversed the expense of unnecessary transportation costs. All these are potential snares that can keep you in a cycle of financial instability. Drawing from Warren Buffett's wisdom, we've underscored the importance of financial prudence. The key takeaway? It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Your financial future doesn't lie in the hands of fate, but in your own. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Spend wisely, save more, and live better.
If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.